Get ready for a huge dose of adrenaline. Massive forestry machines in action, showcasing their raw power and incredible precision. Back in my day, it was rare to see women in the logging industry. It takes real courage and determination. I have a lot of respect for these women who are clearing the path for those to come. Goodness gracious, that man is confronting a blazing tree. Thankfully, he's unharmed. Mexican logging trucks, often heavily modified with lift kits and aggressive tread tires, demonstrate remarkable off-road capability, traversing the challenging terrain of logging sites with surprising ease. The DAH system is a powerhouse. Just like a clam tirelessly chewing, it effortlessly clears land. Its ability to work seamlessly with different excavators and carriers makes it an essential tool for any forestry operation. That's why it's important to wear the right safety gear.
Oh, darling!
The massive tree succumbs swiftly to the force of the chainsaw. Its vast canopy crashing to the earth with a resounding thud. Bjarne Butler employed a chainsaw, likely a high-powered model with a large bar and chain, to fell a massive old-growth tree. His continued work suggests the tree was felled for milling or further processing. Take a look at this monster of a machine. This Volvo loader can handle an incredible 19 tons. Luckily, they've got a pro behind the wheel to make unloading a breeze. Stick around to catch this powerhouse in action. And if it did work, the tree literally crushes you anyway. My God.
2, 1, go!
The instant the tree fractured, my heart sank. That's the exact moment every lumberjack dreads. A barber chair that has gone awry.
Saw's all right.
Take a look at this Fendt 942 Vario. This powerhouse is teamed up with a Jens Hem 583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. The Vario packs the strength to conquer any terrain, while the Hem 583 shreds massive logs like they're nothing. This duo is built for efficiency and raw power, delivering top-notch productivity for any forestry job. Unstable ground and a windy day, that's a disaster waiting to happen. Glad we escaped that one, huh? The D8 dozer, though an engineering marvel, symbolizes unsustainable land use. Its efficiency in clearing forests for agriculture causes biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and climate change. Wow, what a throwback. Sinking those logs is pure genius. It cuts down on decay and keeps pests at bay. This is the real deal when it comes to lumber production. The scent of freshly cut wood, the steady hum of the steam engine, and the sight of those massive logs meeting the saw. It's like watching traditional craftsmanship come to life. Hull Oaks stands as a living relic of old-school lumbering. Seeing a mill like this still running is incredible, and the crew there are true experts at what they do. Utilizing a 5-to-1 mechanical advantage system for a tree of that magnitude is a testament to innovative arboriculture. Such a setup optimizes force multiplication, allowing for efficient and controlled removal. minimizing stress on both the operator and the surrounding environment.
Keep going, see if you can pull it out.
Picture this. You're dealing with a massive pile of wood waste, branches, logs, the whole lot. Instead of letting it build up and become a hassle, you bring in the Hyzo hack. It handles everything in no time. It's user-friendly, super powerful, and even helps you cut down on fuel costs. The Hyzo hack, your ultimate solution for turning wood waste into no waste. The second I saw that jawline, I knew exactly what was coming. Thankfully, no one got hurt.
Такое бывает, когда у него слишком сильное напряжение. Это опасная хуйня.
This stump grinder attachment is a real powerhouse. It digs deep, works efficiently, and is made to endure. This is the kind of dependability you need in the field. The collapse was sudden and complete. It appeared as though the deceased tree had simply chosen that moment to disintegrate. This is where the legendary loggers do their work, using these machines to get it done. Barber chairs, the hidden danger. Don't take them lightly. Whether you're a rookie or a veteran, consider this your warning. Am I the only one who, besides noticing that monster truck, appreciated the skilled driver? Low tire pressure, and perfect gear ratio that made the impressive driving possible. For optimal safety in forestry operations, utilizing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as helmets, chainsaw chaps, gloves, and eye protection, is non-negotiable. If you're looking for a harvester that will get the job done quickly and efficiently, look no further than the John Deere 1270G. This machine is a workhorse that will save you time and money in the long run. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That bush didn't stand a chance against the forestry mulching Barco 937. It was like slicing through butter with a chainsaw. The bush was shredded instantly, and the area was cleared in no time. I don't think I need to say much more about the power of the Barco 937, do I? It's not just about having a powerhouse truck to tackle rough roads. It's the driver, their skill and experience that makes the difference. Combine the two, and you've got an unbeatable team. All right, folks, someone tell me I'm not the only one totally hooked on this video. The sound of that bandsaw is almost mesmerizing, right? And those jackfruit logs are gorgeous. I mean, that bandsaw is ridiculously fast. These guys are real pros. Their craftsmanship is flawless. 3 different timber sizes, 1 log, no waste, just pure skill. It's incredible, isn't it? The Mazzi's raw power was evident. This beast of a machine, likely equipped with a AMZ 8401 diesel engine, generating over 400 horsepower, eventually overcame the Stump's resistance. The high tensile steel cable, a crucial component in this operation, held firm, allowing the Mazzi to exert its maximum pulling force. The Excavator stands as a top-tier example of engineering mastery. Its ripper attachment is carefully crafted to slice through roots with ease, while the hydraulic system delivers unmatched strength to remove even the largest stumps. This machine showcases how advanced technology revolutionizes forestry work, boosting both efficiency and accuracy. Picture a machine that effortlessly turns logs into perfectly split firewood. The TLF450 Petzolato makes it happen. It's like a perfectly synchronized performance, cutting and splitting with precision as it adapts to each log's size. This engineering masterpiece takes the hard work out of a traditionally backbreaking job. That Unimog is a monster. It's making those giant logs look tiny. And it's powering through that tough terrain like it's just a smooth highway. That thing's a force to be reckoned with. We hope this video got your gears turning and sparked some serious inspiration. Don't be shy, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our woodworking adventures.